The code 2022 is a special class, a webinar, where we're gonna look at the numeric code of the coming year and unveil what it means in terms of like our experience and our lives. Understanding a code in general, or the numeric blueprint, provides a certain parameters to hold the reality or the susceptibility of what may be experienced, or let's say being maybe will provide a certain clues about how can we handle that experience in a more positive way. I have been doing these classes in the past, I would say 10 years, and people find them extremely helpful in the main areas of money, career, relationships, as well as economics, and the global experience that we may experience as collective. It's a 2-hour of forecast, and if for some reason any of you, or some of you, cannot be part of the live version, the advantage of the live version is that there's an opportunity also to ask questions. You will receive a recording of the forecast, projected destiny, and trends, which will be available for the next 2 months. Here's the thing: any reality has an underlying or hidden reality as well. And numerology, actually, what it does, it's provide the hidden reality and what that mechanism of that hidden secrets, how they may actually manifest in our physical reality. It's basically looking at opportunities, challenges, as well as tools to maintain the year's vibration in a positive pole. It's a year about the big picture, the big plan. So you want to be here because you want to be part of seeing what is the big picture or the big plan is for you. It's on December 15 from 6 to 8. Tickets are sliding scale. Actually, it's 25 to 33. And here's the right sliding scale. I just a little bit about my background. I've been a student of numerology, of different kind of variation of numerology, over 20 years. I've been teaching and working with students over 15 years. I've been fortunate to share some of this, I would say, mystic technology for over a decade, and I wouldn't do it if I didn't think it's effective and practical. So I'm looking forward to see you in 2 weeks and be part of this event. Thank you so much. Hari Om.